Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can take screenshot in Microsoft Excel. So let's go quick into it. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Excel. Click on it under the best match. Maximize it, click on the blank workbook, or if you're already in your Microsoft Excel, then you can simply open that. As this is helpful, especially if you want to insert some screenshots in your Microsoft Excel for a certain part in your Windows. Now you'll find this insert tab right here. You have file home insert. And here you will find illustrations. Click on this drop down arrow and you will find screenshot. Click on this drop down arrow. So it says quickly add a snapshot of any window that's open on your desktop to your document. Click on screen clipping and then this plus sign button will appear, so you just need to move the cursor to the desired part that you want to take a screenshot, and then there you go. You can also adjust this, and that's it. So that's how you can easily take a screenshot in your Microsoft Excel. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.